Hi angels, I'm back with another freaking video. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the channel. So glad to have you. If you like what you see, make sure you guys subscribe, okay? Or if you just want to become a part of the community right now already, then go ahead. If that subscribe button is red to you right now, go ahead and click it, turn it gray, and join the family, okay? I would love to have you. Yeah, kindness and positivity only in this channel, okay? So if you have something rude to say or anything like that, get the hell out, okay? Get out. Okay, anyway, I'm sorry I started the video off a little bit aggressive today, but I'm kind of in a rush. So yeah, because I have work later on. Hopefully I get a live update video for you guys out soon. I just want to let you guys know I am officially back on YouTube, so there is going to be more content coming. I know I was a little bit MIA for like maybe 3 months after I got back from Mexico. Everything was just like so crazy in my life and everything, but yeah, hopefully a new live update video will be coming soon. Anyway, you guys, so for today's video I have a very exciting one. I'm so freaking excited for this video, you guys, because I have some new contact lenses to share with you guys, and it is partnered up with JUST4KIRA or JUST4KIRA. I'm not really sure how you pronounce it, JUST4KIRA or JUST4KIRA. However you want to say it, that's how it is. So colored contact lenses, it says lost in your eyes right there on the box, and then this is what the packaging looks like for this one. Pretty freaking dope. And then when we open it, it's gonna look like this. You guys, the contact colors that I got are so freaking different from each other, and they're just so freaking, like, I already know I'm gonna freaking love them. So it comes like this. It says JUST4KIRA right here as well, and this is what the box looks like. So we have, okay, that's the alarm. Okay, oh my gosh. So we have 4 different colors right here, and then we have the little packages that you put the contact lenses in. So what you guys saw in those little plastic bags are basically, oh my gosh, this is pretty cute. Oh my gosh, and it has a little like spatula thing that you can pick up the contact lenses. That's so freaking convenient. I did not even know it was gonna have that. But yeah, so this is where the contact comes in. That's where you put the contact lenses. So this is what it looks like. So freaking cute. Alright, so these are the colored contact lenses I'm gonna be sharing with you guys. So we have a brown pair up here, you guys. We have a blue pair right there. That looks so freaking dope. And then I have the gray pair. I'm most excited for the gray pair, you guys. I don't know why, but I'm just freaking, I don't know, like I just feel like the gray one's gonna be the best one. And then I have this green pair as well, but like I said, I'm mostly excited for the gray pair. I don't know why. Maybe because I'm a vampire. But yeah, we'll go ahead and try these babies on camera for you guys, and you guys will let me know which one do you like best. Sorry, there's some helicopters going on right here. Let's go ahead and start off with the green pair. We'll go with the blue pair, and I'm gonna do the gray one last because I'm mostly excited for that one. Or should I just knock that one down first? I'll be right back, you guys. Make sure your hands are clean when you add contact lenses. I'm going to be adding them on camera for you guys so you guys can see how I did it with these short nails. But I have done it with super long nails before, so I will leave that video down below so you guys can see the struggle. It was freaking real. I kind of poked my eye in that video too. But anyway, I will leave it down below for you guys. So I just wanted to quickly show you guys the package it comes in. So this one comes in this little cute package right there, the Mirage. And it's the blue ones are in there. This one is my favorite packaging. It's so freaking cute. Just look how cute this is. It's so freaking cute. This is probably my favorite packaging, like I said. And the green ones come in this. This is Norko green. The blue one is an SL70 blue. These don't have prescription, by the way, as you guys can see right there. You can choose to get prescription for them, but I didn't. But yeah, you guys can see right there, it says 000. And then the other two, this is the other packaging right here. I like the freaking holographic, and then this is the same one as the other one, and the brown one's coming here, and this one, the gray one, comes in here. It goes perfectly, okay? The holographic with the gray, perfectly. So once you've opened the package, you guys, it comes like this. They're individually packed. That's why there was like 8 boxes for them, because they do not come both in one box. They are individually packed. And then this is the brown ones right here. You guys can kind of see that. So I already did the green pair and the gray pair. I already put them in their little containers. So let me show you guys what that looks like. And it comes with like a little spatula. It's so cute. All right, you guys. So here's an example. I don't want to mess this up. The green little contacts are already in there. And then it comes with like this little spatula where you can grab the contact lens. So I feel like that makes it just really easy. Grab your contacts. Oh my gosh, I'm shaking so fucking much. I'm sorry about that. But yeah, that's what the green one looks like. Put it back in there. It also comes, if you don't want to use that one, it comes like with like this little spoon. I just think that's so cute, you guys. I've never seen that before. And once again, you kind of just like reel it out with it. So that's pretty cute. I like the little tools it comes with. Make sure that your hands are washed. And let's just go ahead and grab this sucker. Ooh, I haven't put contact lenses in a long time. Oh man, I hope I don't cry. I really hope I don't cry right now. Let's just hope for the best. Hopefully I don't cry, like I said. Damn it, I feel like I am gonna cry. Okay, there you go. I got one in. You can already see the difference. It makes it look a little bit bigger. My eyes are so tiny. This eye is like so much bigger, and the color as well. So good. All right, so I'm just gonna show you guys the demo of me putting these first ones on. The others, I'm just gonna show you guys what the color looks like. So once again, grab my spatula, and I just got the lens out. All right. Oh my gosh, off camera, I did that so easily. Off camera. My gosh. So this is what this pair looks like, you guys. This is the Norko green one. It's so freaking cute. So yeah, this is what the green pair looks like. Let me know what you guys think about this pair, and let me go show you guys in the sunlight real quick what these look like. This is what they look like in natural sunlight. They're so cute. I now match this little guy right here. My little kitty, we're matching with the eyes. You guys, so this is without the contact lenses. This is with it. This is a brown one right here, you guys. It's so freaking cute. It makes your eyes look a lot bigger, like I said before. But yeah, let me go ahead and put the other one on. You guys, this is the blue pair. It looks so nice. Okay, all of them freaking look nice so far. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite though. And we still need the one that I'm most excited for, which is the gray one. So let's go ahead and put on the gray one. But yeah, so this is the blue one. Looking like a whole Barbie over here. Looking like a whole Barbie. I really like them. I really like them. So I've gotta say that this gray pair is my favorite pair. I already knew it was gonna be, so maybe I freaking like just, I'm saying it to myself because I had already had a plan that this was gonna be my favorite. Mena, I'm filming. Mena, I'm filming. Alright you guys, so this is the end of the video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys use my coupon code down below if you guys are going to purchase any of the contact lenses. Don't forget to use my code, you guys. It's going to be Jessica G for 20% off your whole purchase. 20% off, okay? Don't miss out, don't miss out. Just for Kira. I will leave the website down below, and I will leave obviously all of the names for the contacts that I have on down in the description box. All of them will be linked. Every single one that I tried on today, it will be linked down below. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Honestly, these are my favorite pair, the gray ones. The contact lenses, they say that they do last for a whole year, so that's freaking good, because I know most contact lenses only last for 3 months from the past experiences that I've had, but these last for a whole freaking year, you guys. Oh my gosh, they're so precious. I love them. Before I finish the video, I wanted to show you guys how you can use this little spatula that comes with it, like these little tongs, just to remove them like so freaking easily. Look at that, just so freaking easy. You don't even have to worry about your nails getting messed up. Oh my freaking gosh. I'm gonna put this back on because I'm gonna film some TikToks right now. Make sure you guys follow me on TikTok. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me put this back on. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like for more videos from me. Make sure you guys join our family if you're not already subscribed to the channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember, stay hydrated. You do matter. I freaking love you. Hugs and kisses. Bye guys. Peace. And thank you, Kira, for partnering up with me for this video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.
You never been with a chick this bad. I ain't worried about the mother girls.